The role of a CFO has completely evolved over a period of time. Maybe 10 years back or 15 years back, it was largely related to closure of books and compliances with the respective regulations and making the respective filings. But today, CFO is a very key partner in success in any organization because as a CFO, I'm able to leverage my team and our knowledge in terms of understanding which products, which customer class that we should be catering to, what are the product metrics which are there, what is the effective cost that we are incurring, what is the productive metrics for not only my front line but also my internal staff. Apart from that, what is also important is in terms of if we are a listed company, then it is very important to look into the area of investor relations and keep good relation with your investors and analyst community. As a listed bank, we will always require capital from time to time, and hence it is very essential to be very transparent and provide as much information as possible to the investor community. Apart from that, as a CFO, it is the role is very external focused. So I do interact with rating agencies. I do interact very much with my board of directors and various committee of directors. I participate in almost all the committees like ALCO and EXCO. So I would say that over a period of time, the role has expanded quite a bit. One of the important area that I look into is business finance, or we call it as a business partnering. Some companies also call it as a financial planning analysis, where we look into various verticals within the bank. We look into not only just the profitability, we look into every product to say ultimately every product has its own performance metrics, and we try and see that how each and every product is performing, and is there a need to accelerate our growth in some of the few products, whereas to slow down growth in some of the other products. As there is always a pressure on margins, so it is always important to look into the cost and what is one is the cost income ratio, but also to ensure that how we are optimizing our overall cost structure to ensure that we are continuing to do good business. At the same time, we are able to do return accretive business. So it is very important to look at cost from various angles, to look into the all-inclusive cost of a particular product. What are the direct cost of a business? What are the indirect costs of the business? What are the allocated costs of the business? So cost is one of our important area which today CFOs need to focus on. I'm pretty happy to be part of this summit and got an opportunity to share my thoughts with the audience. It was a good networking event where I met with quite a few of finance leaders across various spectrum. Even within the panel, it was well diversified, where we had representation from banks as well as manufacturing. So it gave me an opportunity to interact with my fellow panelists as well. So all in all, it's a fantastic experience.